Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a look at our 2018 Sea Ray 290 SDX. I'm going to start at the back of the boat with the way we've powered it. This has the brand new Mercury V8 Verados with joystick piloting. Across the swim platform, we've optioned the boat out with the sea deck matting. The transom of the boat, you have a nice big sun pad, plenty of storage underneath. Making our way into the cockpit of the boat, you have a really nice wraparound seating. You have the sports arch. We've upgraded the carpeting to the Infinity woven carpet liner. The boat is equipped with the electric grill, freshwater sink, and refrigerator. Making our way forward, each of these backrests flip back to give you aft-facing seating. On the port side, you have a head compartment. This does have the upgraded head interior, nicely trimmed, vacuum flush head. At the helm, the boat is equipped, as I've mentioned earlier, with the joystick piloting, which gives you the skyhook feature. The Mercury Verados are digital throttle and shift. You have your rocker Fosgate stereo controls at the helm, and this has the digital dash, which also gives you your Mercury vessel link in there, GPS, and depth finder. Making our way up to the bow of the boat, you have two full-length loungers and complete wraparound seating, flip-up armrests, and this boat is equipped with the windlass anchor. That's a real quick walkthrough of our 2018 Sea Ray 290 SDX. If you'd like to see this boat or any of the other inventory we have in stock, give me a call. Dean Ashton will be happy to help you out.